I'm Matthias and I'm in my 6th semester of Responsible Consumption and Production at the Universität Leoben. I had a look at all of the studies. I did deal with them a lot, and I thought that circular engineering and responsible consumption and production would fit me the most. And then after some decision making, I just decided to choose responsible consumption and production because I thought it would fit me the best. I like that you do get the basics in basically every module that is taught at the Universität. So you do have the basic knowledge and then you can build upon that technically by yourself. So I think you're being set up for basically any career path that you might want to choose in the bachelor's, and then in the master's, and if you want to do the doctorate, you can then decide on which path you want to go down. One thing that future students of RCP should know is that it doesn't really get boring because you always have a new topic to discuss and you always get a new point of view on certain topics. So I do like the international approach a lot because I do like socializing and just talking to people in general. And another thing to consider is that you can learn a lot of stuff from people with other backgrounds. Everyone's got a different background and then you've got a different approach. When it comes to going abroad, I made my decision based on the Spanish culture and also on the fact that the study branch in León is pretty different compared to what is taught in Leoben. The best thing about studying in Leoben is the community, because you're able to talk eye to eye with professors, and also all of the students are really helpful to each other. One of the best things to get in touch with others in Leoben are the Schwammergruppen in the first semester, which is basically a group of first semester students that are accompanied by 2 other students from higher semesters, and they show them around Leoben and how the studies work, and they help you to get into the life. I don't really have an exact vision, but I'm sure that I want to do my part in making the world a better place, and no matter if it's regarding sustainability or any other problems that we're probably bound to face. So in the case that you have any questions regarding the life in Leoben or your studies, you can reach out to the EURECA-PRO office or the student representatives. You can either reach out to us through the email, which is on the UH website, or one thing that we usually use is a WhatsApp group, and then you can just text or call us.